But as you know, the children are very young and they practice very hard. So we do hope that you enjoy today's performance, everything that they've done and all the effort that they've put through. Just something we'd like to say that we learned from last year. If I know all the parents would like to film this, so if you could please use the side spaces and leave the middle clear, because then you're blocking the other people behind you. And we did teach them to speak loudly and clearly, but obviously they're children, so they will be shy, and they're going to speak quite slowly. They do have microphones, but they're going to be very shy, so just try to keep it really quiet so you can hear their lines, because they put a lot of effort to learn the lines. And yeah, if you cannot stand up so that other people behind you can see. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas from the Sunday School, and we do hope that you enjoy.
I can't believe that Mary's having a baby and I'm not the dad. I'm going to leave her secret with you.
The angel of the Lord visited and said,
Joseph, don't be afraid to take Mary as your wife. She is going to have a godson. You will name him Jesus.
He did as the angel told him and took Mary as his wife. Little donkey on a dusty road, got to keep on holding onwards with your precious soul. Ring out those bells tonight, Bethlehem, Bethlehem, follow that star tonight, Bethlehem, Bethlehem, little donkey on a dusty road. You've got to keep on plodding onward with your precious soul. In those days, the Emperor Augustus gave orders that a census should be taken of the entire Roman world and go to their hometowns to be counted. So Joseph had to leave Nazareth and go to Bethlehem. When arriving in the town of Bethlehem, they were both tired from travel and wanted nothing more than to find a place to rest. They walked the city, checking each, but there was no room in any of them. Knock on the door, knock, knock, is anyone there? Knock, knock, knock on the door, we need a place to stay.
Please, I need help. My wife is about to have a baby with baby in her room.
Sorry, you shouldn't come here for all my names are full.
Knock, 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 knock on the door, knock, knock, is anyone there? Knock, knock, knock on the door, we need a place to stay. Hello.
Hello, please, I need help. My wife is about to have a baby in her room.
I'm so sorry, all my rooms are full.
Please, I'm about to have a baby.
There's a stable at the back.
We'll take it.
Thank you. At least we have someone.
Yeah. of the day clocks that night. When an angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified.
Fear not, for I bring you good news. For unto you this day is born a Saviour, who is Christ the Lord. This will be a sign to you. You will find a baby wrapped in a cloth and lying in a manger. Glory to God in the highest. 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 What shall we do? Let's go to Bethlehem.
Let's go and see what happened.
Yes, I want to see what the Lord has told us.
So they hurried off and found the baby who was lying in the manger. And when they saw them, the shepherds told Mary and Joseph what the angel had said about the child. Herod, Herod, yes, my Lord, King James, no, my Lord, take life, my Lord, open your side. After Jesus was born in Bethlehem in Judea, during the time of King Herod, Magi from the east came to Jerusalem. They came in following the star that appeared in the night sky.
Where is the baby? We saw the star. We come to worship.
King Herod was concerned with the speaking of the King of Jews. He sent the Magi on their way, hoping that they would find where the baby was, and tell him so that he could kill this King of Jews.
No, I'll find the baby. Sorry, I waited.
Wise men, riding on the eastern kingdom, riding, upon a camel. These wise men are on a special mission to find the baby king. Don't let Herod keep our competition, keep it a secret from him. The Magi traveled and followed the star into the city of Bethlehem. When they saw the star, they were overjoyed. On coming to the house, they saw the child with his mother Mary, and they bowed down and worshipped him. They opened their treasures and presented him with gifts.
So indeed. You the Son of God that you reflect the sense. Because you're the Savior of the world, I give you up.
An angel of the Lord warned the Magi about Herod's plans to kill Jesus. So the Magi left a different way, not returning to Herod. Herod never did find out where Jesus was and was unsuccessful in his attempt to kill him.
Thus ends our Christmas story, but the story of his life does not end here. This is the real beginning. Still 2,000 years after his birth, wise men still seek Jesus.
As the blind will see, the deaf will hear, and the dead will live again.
For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, so whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive a King. Let every heart remain true. Let angels sing. Let angels sing. Let angels sing. Christmas. Pai and his team for making this service, and Orange and Rachel for helping out. And I hope you have a lovely Christmas. Merry Christmas.